Okay, so let's solve a problem when they give us a point and we need to draw it on the Cartesian plane. What do we need to find is the three lengths of the triangle and the three angles, and also the 6 trigonometric ratios for the reference angle. What you need to remember is the rule: all, sin, tan, cos. All students take calculus, or in Spanish, todos sin, ta, cos. This will give you the positive signs for the 4 quadrants. So, we are going to give you a point. What you need to do is draw a Cartesian plane. This is your y's, this is your x. So you need to find minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So it's here. And then minus 8. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need more. 7, 8. So this is minus 8. So what you need to do is to plot the point. Minus 3, minus 8 is going to be here. You find the point, and what you need to do next is to join it to your origin. And then complete your triangle. Remember the shape you're going to have. It's this one. Sorry. Something like this one. And the reference angles are going to be the ones inside this triangle. So this is going to be your reference angle. This is your 90 degrees of the right triangle you have. And this is going to be alpha or beta, as you want to call it. So this length equals minus 8 units here on y's, and this length equals minus 3. So you have 3 lengths, going to be A, B, and C. You have that A equals minus 3, B equals minus 8, and we need to find C. Also, you need to find alpha, beta, and you have the right angle that equals 90. The addition of all these 3 will equal to 180 degrees. So let's start finding C. How? With Pythagorean theorem. C equals the square root of a squared plus b squared. A squared, your a is minus 3. Minus 3 elevated to the second is 9. And b squared minus 8 elevated to the second is 64. 9 plus 64 equals 73. And please leave your answer as a radical. It's a radical of 73. Radical of 73. Now you play with this information, and you need to remember sol, ca, toa. For sign, opposite, you can also write here, opposite, adjacent. Remember, it's for this angle. Opposite equals minus 8 over radical of 73. Then cosine of beta equals your adjacent, minus 3 over hypotenuse, that is radical of 73. Then toa means tangents, opposite over adjacent. Opposite equals minus 8 divided by minus 3. And 8 divided by minus 3, minus 8 divided by minus 3 is positive 8/3. Then you need to switch these ones. Radical of 73 over minus 8. Radical 73 over minus 3. 3 over 8. Then you need to see which one you need to rationalize. And those ones are these ones. So it's minus 8 radical of 73 over 73. And this one is minus 3 radical of 73 divided by 73. And you finish your 6 trigonometric ratio. Then you need to see, where are you? You are in quadrant number 3, so you need to use tangent. In order to find what? Beta. tangent of theta equals 8/3. So if you want to search theta, it's going to be tangent inverse of 8/3 equals your angle. And this is 69.44 degrees. Let's write it here. 69.44 degrees. In order to find alpha, you can also search it with trigonometric ratios. But if you want, you just need to subtract 180 minus 90 minus 69.44, and your answer is 20.56 degrees. When you find the three lengths, when you find the three angles, and when you find the 6 trigonometric ratios for the reference angle, you finish.